Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video we are demonstrate a new project, and this project is made up of using a Python plus an API using an API which are fetching the data from the website. So the project name is stock analysis dashboard, means stock analysis. In this project we are analyzing the stocks in a real time basis. So before starting this project, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel because we have uploaded lots of projects related to the different programming languages like Java, PHP, Pythons, and other programming languages. So you can just go to the update. Just you just need to go to this YouTube channel, decode it, and after that you can find lots of projects with the different programming languages. So if you're a last year student, then this channel might be helpful for you for your last year projects and for your company projects. So you can just scroll the scroll our YouTube channel because we have uploaded lots of projects, and the complete detail of this project, today project stock analysis dashboard, you can check from our website. Just go to the updateger.com. I will provide the link of this I will provide the link of this website in the descriptions of this video. Just go to the updateger.com, and after that you just need to select this stock price predictions using a Python. So select this one, and after selecting you will navigate to this page, and here you will find all the detail of this project. I think not this one, yeah, this is a different one. Just a moment, I just need to find the different one that I have uploaded. So you can check from here. I think real time stock, you can search from here stock price predictions using Python and real time, and stock price prediction using a Python. So you will find these two products. Just select the first one, and after that, after selecting the first one, you will navigate to this page. Here you will find all the details of this project and this screenshot, and how you can connect with us for this project. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to channel and please check all the detail of this project from this website. Now we are starting this today project. This is the main file for this project. This is the static pages that we are using, static pages, and this is the uh, index.html file, and this is the dashboard. So what exactly this project is working on, like we will provide the company currency name company name, and after that, after providing the company name, it will go to the website Yahoo. From the Yahoo it is fetching the data, Yahoo Finance, and it is fetching the data from the last 1 year, and after that it will displaying into our website. So now I'm just starting this project again. It's just starting, just a moment. Now it's starting the project on the local servers 127.0.1 and 500 our port. After opening this website, after opening this project, it will showcase like this. So now you need to enter any company symbols, like for the Google GOOGLE, for Microsoft MSFT, and for any other company like Apple AAPL. You just need to enter any stock symbols, and after that entering you need to select the analyze stock. It will automatically analyze that stock with the current date. These are the examples that are already set, so you just select from here also, or you can just enter here, like I am entering AAPL, and then select analyze stock. Now it will select the this stock with the real time, like last date 2025 6 and 15, and today it's 15. So it will automatically fetch with the latest date, and it will show in the chart with the last 1 year data, like 2024 to 2025. This is a complete 1 year data, and this is the volume for the 1 year. For the this is the for the 1 month volume for the 1 month. and these are the final summaries, financial summaries, and these are the last 10 days historical data. Also, you can download these data in the CSV file. Just select this CSV file and it will automatically download a CSV file with the last 1 year data of this stock. If I just select this and save, now it's save and I just open this one. Okay, I just open this, and yeah, here is the data of last 1 year of AAPL stock with the real time data. These all are real time data, not any dummy data. These are real time data. For more, you can just enter any another stock, and here is also one option to download this last 10 days data like high, low, close, volume, open, and all these things. Now I just select an another stock like from the chart. I'm just selecting Tesla stock. I just select this Tesla, and now it will showing the real time chart from the last 1 year with accurate date and data. And these are the volume, these are the financial summaries, and these are the historical data for the last 10 days. So this is all about this project, finding the real time stock analysis. And if you are interested in this project, you can check the descriptions of this video for connecting for this project. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.